What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. I'm going to be telling you which tool lockpick is faster. Let's get right into it. I'm just going to go on Orbital Bank to test them out. Okay, so the first one, of course, is the normal lockpick. This one, really, I mean, it looks pretty normal. Like, yeah, because it's probably the basic. I mean, lock pick. But how fast does it actually go? It goes around 8 seconds to use. So this one's pretty basic, but it's pretty slow. So let's just throw that out. The next one, of course, is the advanced lockpick. And if you guys didn't know, in one-armed robber, there's proximity chat. You could press V, and the microphone could pop up, and you could talk. Okay, time for this one. The other one was like 8.3. This one is, sorry, my bad, I messed up. This one, get on the door, I had to restart. That's my bad, guys, my bad. This one right here goes pretty quick. It's pretty good. This one goes around, if you just do it correctly, it goes around 5.5 seconds or 5.6. So again, this one's way faster than the other one. And then we have the final one. Unfortunately, I don't have the expert one, but I just know this one goes around 4 seconds to 4.6 seconds. Definitely fastest one, and I would recommend this. And that is going to be it, and see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.